All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I've got a new wig for you guys today. This wig is from Nadula Hair. This is their 13x4 straight lace wig, and I do have it in 26 inches. So this wig is pretty straightforward. I just wanted to point out the hairline for you guys. It's not the most natural hairline. As you can see right here, it will need some work. So they give you it's not a super thick hairline. I guess that's the best way I can describe it. It just needs a better transition. So if you guys can see right here, there's just no transition going on. So it's not super thick in the front right here. You just need to just start plucking, and I think you would be fine. So I only took about 15 minutes to pluck this entire wig, and this is what I came up with maybe after not even, I don't know, 5 minutes of plucking. So it went by pretty fast. It didn't take much effort. So I'm just gonna do the top and then the side, and here I'm about to show you guys what it looks like wet before I started to pluck, so that you can see the difference. So it's not that big of a difference, but it's still a little bit of a difference. So I'm doing this side next. So here I'm just taking some setting lotion. This is a Lot of Body setting lotion, and doing a middle part because I love long hair with a, just a sleek middle part. And then I'm gonna just pull out the baby hair and just mold this or set it so that it is as flat as possible. And here, you guys, where my finger is, I'm just showing you how deep you can get this part. So it is a 13x4, so it doesn't go as deep, but it is available, I believe, in a 13x6 as well. All right, so I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna just let you finish watching this video of just how I styled the wig. I did just a tiny bit of baby hair that I just could not get right, so you'll see that in a little bit. And then I added just a little bit of curls with my flat iron, just to give it a little bit of something, because I ended up just not wanting to do it super straight. So I wanted a little bit of volume in the hair, but not much, which you will see as well. So sit tight, you guys, and I will be back in just a bit. Alright, hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here really quickly and just give you guys my final thoughts on this wig. So I've been wearing it for a few hours now, and y'all, I can't believe I'm going to say this. This wig might be my most favorite long straight wig that I've worn in a hot minute. Like, I don't know if I should say that, because I do have some favorites out there. The only reason why I probably just can't come out and flat out say it like for real, is because the hairline for me takes some work. And that is the one major thing about this wig that I really just want you to be aware of, that you will have to put some effort, some plucking, all that kind of stuff into the hairline. It's really thick. Sometimes as well, whenever you get a long straight wig, your hair may not be as thick as you'd want it. It may fall like a little flat or a little thin, and it's a little bit harder to put volume into it because it's long. This is not that type of hair. The hair is really thick, it's super soft, and it's also super silky as well. Like, you can just tell, you can definitely tell, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's just, it's some good, I don't want to say it, but it's some good hair. So yeah, you guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm just letting you guys know, Nadula, you guys did a freaking amazing job. If you guys could just pluck this hairline a little bit more to make it a little bit more natural, it would be like a 10 out of 10. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good 9 out of 10 for now, because I did have to pluck, but I really didn't have to pluck that much. So that's fine. Typically, whenever I do pluck wigs, I never spend more than like 10 minutes plucking. That's just me. I'm sure other people do more, but yeah, so that was no big deal for me. But yeah, you guys, I will be back at a later date to give you guys an update on this wig, how it's holding up, all that great stuff, what I've done to it, what I haven't done to it. That is it for this review. If you have any questions or comments, anything like that, please put them down below. You know I will answer you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.